In a small town, Sarah once juggled 3 part-time jobs, yet struggled to make ends meet. The rising costs of living weighed heavily on her shoulders, as did the frustration of watching her savings dwindle each month. You're not alone if you've faced similar challenges. Today, we promise actionable tips that could transform your financial future. Our first strategy focuses on budgeting. Imagine painting a vivid picture of your monthly expenditures and savings. Engaging visuals can guide you through creating a budget that breathes life into your dreams. Did you know that by trimming your dining out expenses, you can save enough for a yearly vacation? Next, we delve into saving. Picture a thriving plant. It's your savings, growing with proper care. We'll explore the best accounts and methods to nurture your financial garden. Investing might seem daunting, but imagine it as planting seeds for tomorrow. Interactive animations can break down concepts like stocks, mutual funds, and bonds into digestible steps, paving your way to potentially prosperous returns. The modern economy thrives on multiple income streams. Envision a river branching into numerous tributaries, representing the diverse ways you can earn. From side hustles to passive income, the possibilities are endless. Real-life examples illuminate our journey. Meet Lisa, who transformed her financial landscape by budgeting wisely and investing smartly. Her lively testimonial serves as a beacon of hope, illustrating success is attainable. Common mistakes often derail these strategies. In budgeting, it's wise to avoid underestimating costs. When investing, steer clear of the herd mentality. Our honest assessment of these pitfalls will prepare you to navigate challenges smoothly. Now, a call to action. Share your financial goals in the comments. Your dreams matter to us. Subscribe for ongoing guidance, and don't miss out on our downloadable checklist that distills today's strategies into an actionable plan. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom together. Your future is bright,